Core Lesson 2, Europeans in America. Have you ever read a book that made you want to visit a new place? Around the year 1300, some Europeans read a book by Marco Polo that sparked their interest in a distant land. The Age of Exploration. Main idea. European explorers began to travel great distances in search of trade routes to Asia. Marco Polo was an Italian merchant. A merchant buys and sells goods to earn money. In 1271, he began a journey from Italy across Europe and Asia to China to trade goods. When he returned, he told his story in a book describing the wonders he saw while traveling. This book increased Europeans' interest in Asia. Over the next 100 years, other European merchants set up trade routes to Asia. They bought goods such as silk and spices from traders in Asian cities. The merchants sold these goods at higher prices in Europe. They earned large profits from this trade. A profit is the money left over after expenses have been paid. The routes were slow and dangerous, however. European rulers tried to solve this problem by finding faster and safer trade routes to Asia to increase their nation's wealth and power. Portugal leads the way. European merchants knew that traveling by sea was faster than traveling by land. Prince Henry of Portugal believed that sailors could find a new route to Asia by sailing south around the tip of Africa and then northeast to India. To help meet this goal, he started a school for navigation. Navigation is the science of planning and guiding the route of a ship at sea. Sailors at this school developed new, faster ships called caravels to send on expeditions. An expedition is a journey with an important goal. With improvements in navigation and shipbuilding, expeditions became safer as well as faster. In 1498, Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama became the first European to sail around Africa to Asia. His ships landed on the coast of India. This new sea route helped Portugal become rich from its trade with Asia. Arriving in the Americas. Main idea. Christopher Columbus and other explorers searched for trade routes to Asia. An Italian sailor named Christopher Columbus thought he could reach Asia by sailing west across the Atlantic Ocean. At that time, Europeans did not know that the Americas existed. In the late 1400s, Spain's rulers, Queen Isabella and King Ferdinand, wanted to expand Spain's power. They also wanted to spread Christianity to other parts of the world. The pull factors of economic opportunity and political gain led Queen Isabella to pay Columbus to lead an expedition west over the Atlantic. Columbus sailed from Spain in 1492 with 3 ships. 2 months later, the ships arrived at an island that Columbus named San Salvador. This island is in the Caribbean Sea between North and South America. Columbus wrongly believed he had reached the Indies, a group of islands off the Asian coast. He called the people he met there Indians.